I think it's so great and I love how affordable it is. Hi, today I'm going to share with you my new makeup brush holder. I actually got this, I actually found out about this little bag from one of the makeup artists that I started following on YouTube here recently. She's a professional makeup artist, like just a small one, not like a major well-known one or anything. Anyway, I mean, she is pretty known here on YouTube, I think. Okay, I digress. My point is, today I wanted to share with you this really cute, affordable makeup brush travel bag that I picked up on Amazon for Amazon Prime Day. I have it here in my basket that I usually fill up with my Shop My Stash, just so that you can see the size of it. This is like 2-hand sizes, and I have it completely full. This loop here is a belt buckle, and so you can actually wear this around your waist to work out of it if you're a professional makeup artist. But I thought it was nifty. What era is this? Okay, let me try that again. I thought it was cool for like hanging from, say, the strap of your bag and then keeping it on the outside of your travel bag, like to do your makeup on the go, or to just have it on the inside of your luggage hanging onto something or attached to your makeup bag, so that, like the handle bag of a makeup bag, so that you can take it with you. Or if you don't want this thing on it at all, you can just remove it because it's just like sewn into the edges there. But I really like the idea of it. So it just has this little belt loop, this little thing that you undo, and you can keep it around your waist, but it stays out of the way. So I don't feel like you need to undo it in order to open the bag. Let me put it back together just so it's not like this extra really long thing flopping about while I open the bag up and show you the contents. So I currently have it crammed with just some of my like backup makeup brushes that if I'm on the go and I didn't have or want to take the time to pack up makeup brushes to go, I could do a few days of a face with this pack that's already loaded with some of my brushes. And so these are all brushes that I love. Okay, I love them for one reason or another. And some of them are just like brushes that are good enough, like not necessarily my favorites. Like this Laura Lee shader, it's okay, you know. And like this here, it's not my favorite, but I think this would be good to apply my face primer with. So, you know, but like this brush here from Joa, I absolutely love it. It is so beautiful. And I love this brush back here from Luxie. So like all of these are good brushes that I would not feel like I'm, you know, missing out on anything if I just grab this out of the drawer that I keep it in and take off with my already packed up makeup bag. So, yeah. Let me just take out these brushes so that you can see what one of the sides looks like, because I have it already completely full and you can't really see the components. I forgot I had all these brushes in here. That's where some of these brushes that I was looking for went. Anyway, okay. Okay, so that's all the brushes that I have in, sorry, I shook the camera. That's all the brushes that I have on one side, and I didn't even have it completely crammed. Like, there's definitely room on each side that I could have added more brushes. I could have added some things in here, or like if you're a professional makeup artist, you can put your business cards in here or whatever. And then it's got this other row in between the like section of brushes. So you've got this one thing of row and then a pocket in front of it. So you can add more brushes in front of this, or you can tuck makeup items inside of it if you need to, like a little palette or some lipsticks, things like that. And then you've got that same thing behind here. You've got another row here that you can add things in front of the row of brushes. And so this is how it looks when it's all filled out and in use. You've got this one row here in the middle. I do have one really fat brush that doesn't fit into the sides there. And then like you could have whatever else you need there, you know. And because this is just like a shapeless flat thing, it opens up and lays down flat, and it also like expands. It it can puff out this way real round if you want to fill up the rows in between the brushes. And I really like how it's got this one little section here in the middle where it's got a couple of slots for things that you really want to keep handy and visible, that you don't want them to get lost in the mix. Like this is a little silicone applicator that would very easily get lost in the shuffle of all the brushes. And so if I want something that's really specific and unique, or like if you want to put your one liner brush, but I brought a lot because I like to use a lot of gel pot liners for my looks. Anyway, yeah, so I just really like this, and I got it on Amazon Prime. I believe that I think it normally goes for like $15, and I think I got mine for maybe 11 or 12 because it was Amazon Prime. Oh, no. I didn't get this on Amazon Prime Day. I wish I would have waited because I did see it lower on Amazon Prime around 11 or 12. But I paid the full price for this because I bought this before I even remembered about Prime coming up. And I paid like $14.95 for this. And so I really like the brush bag. I think it's so great, and I love how affordable it is and how many brushes it holds. And I didn't think that I was going to like the little belt loop in the back, but I actually really do like it. And I think it's so handy for just like being able to grab it, because if you have the bag full of brushes, it can make it kind of awkward to grab. And so it's kind of like a little handle where you don't have to just like clutch the thing like this. You can just like grab it by the little strap. And that makes a difference when you're loading stuff up. You got a lot of things in your hands and you're trying to like, you know, grab stuff in a hurry and go. So I just really like how handy this little compartment is. I wish I could remember the girl's name that I saw this from. If I end up remembering the name of her channel, I have a hard time with names. I forget things. And so my memory is coming back after all the health things that I've been through, but I still have some issues. Anyway, and since I am new to watching her, I don't automatically just know her name yet. Like it hasn't sunk into my brain yet. Anyhow, and so yeah, if I can remember her channel name, I will link her down below. But see, like this thing here is so short that if I were to slide this into a regular brush slot, it would make it hard to find. But because of this like little flap here in the front, I can just tuck that down in there. Or you can put it in the back row if you don't want it just like moving about. And yeah, so it's really easy to just fill out and zip up. Oops, I see, and I really feel like it's best to put all the eye brushes together to where it keeps it nice and tight. I don't have the slots completely tight, which is why some of the things fall out. But if you keep it upright, you know, it doesn't fall out. Because of the zipper, you can go like this and the brushes are still going to stay in place. You can just literally grab it with this thing, and you can just like grab it with this strap if you need to, or strap this onto like the outside of your luggage bag if you're, or like your little vanity train, or if like you carry a caboodle, you can attach this to the handle and then just let it hang from that while you're lugging whatever else you've got to carry. So yeah, this was one of the things that I have in my big giant pile of haul stuff that I wanted to share with you. I'm going to be working through my Sephora haul, Ulta haul, and randoms that I wanted to share with you. This was one of those random things. Anyhow, I would love to know how you take your makeup brush. I would love to know how you take your makeup brushes to travel with you or like on the go, and also where you got that from and about how much you paid for it, just so that we can all share information with each other down below in the comment section. And if maybe this kind of container isn't right for someone, maybe somebody else can get some ideas from the comment section. So yeah, that's going to do it for today's short and sweet video. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Currently uploading daily for Vlogmas, and yeah, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of my uploads. I am currently uploading daily for Vlogmas. It is absolutely free to subscribe to me, so subscribe down below beneath this video. There's a big button that is the subscribe button. It costs you absolutely nothing to subscribe to me, so I would appreciate if you would do that. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.